Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Echo, and I hope you're having a great day. Today's Minecraft video, we're back on Minecraft Pocket Edition, the Bedrock version, because what we're going to be doing is turning this version of Minecraft into Minecraft Java PC. This is one of, if not the best ever mod slash add-on I have ever showcased to the Minecraft community. This will work for iOS, Android, Windows 10, and I believe Xbox as well. Now, before we go through that add-on, I want to show you another one, which basically changes the background for Minecraft. It's more of just a visual pleasing addition. Now, all the downloads will be down below in the description. I'll also be showing you in today's video how to install this specific add-on so you don't have any problems at all. So the first one I want to show you today, we go to Global Resources, My Packs. We have beautiful backgrounds created by Rasping Mango. I really like this. So if we just activate this, this is just a very visual pleasing one. It changes your background. There are 3 different options. So if you didn't like this color, you could change it. I really love it. It just makes Minecraft look a lot better. One of the best things Minecraft ever introduced is changing the home screen to have like a different visual appearance. So if you wanted to change this because you weren't a fan of this color, back to settings, global resources, my current active packs, and on here, we want to tap on this. So this is the settings option. So by default, it's going to be on purple. You can change this to cyan or to orange. I'm going to change it to cyan because this is my favorite one. I really like this one. Now, in some cases, it might automatically load for you. As you can see, it did not change. In order for it to change, you're going to have to restart the game. So let's do that. So this is the cyan background, and like I said, I really like this one. It's smooth. I just feel like this would be the perfect background for me. There is one more color as well, and that is orange. So if we go to settings, global resources, active packs, and we just go back to the settings option here, we can change this to orange. All right, we got to do one more restart, and then we can get into today's video. So this gives you a very warm feeling, and this is the orange one. I'm going to keep this for the sake of today's video. So that add-on, being the background add-on, will work for 1.12, 1.13, and even the 1.14 beta. I'm in 1.14 beta for today's video, and turning the Bedrock version into Java PC will work for 1.13 and 1.14. So the pack that we're going to be checking out today is the Vanilla Deluxe Java UI, created by Chris X Alt with helps from Horf Human, ABC, and Agent MS. Full credit to this. This is one of the best things I've ever seen. Now, before we check this out, I'm going to show you guys how to install this, because sometimes you guys have a little bit of issues on finding specific things. So if you go to this website, which is in the description and also at the top of the YouTube comment section, this is MC Bedrock. This will be linking you to this specific article. Now, I recommend reading it because it explains everything that this pack has and what it offers. Honestly, I've done this before, but this is the best add-on if you want to change the way it looks. As you can see here, all features: basic Java UI screen, start, death, pause, HUD, sign, and embed, and it explains all the features that are available. And as you can see, compatible for all devices: Android, iOS, Windows 10, and maybe Xbox One. I've not tested Xbox One, so you're going to have to do that. Now, in terms of downloads, you're going to have to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and this is where people had a couple of issues. So for you to download this, come to this section, which is, and now what are you waiting for? Vanilla Deluxe. You need to tap on this. It will say spoiler show. You need to tap on this one. You then click on the download. Now, this is going to open the website, which is AdFly. Now, AdFly has a waiting time, which is please wait a certain amount of time. Now, I have ad block on this website. If you do, you're just going to have to reload it like me. Upon reloading this, guys, you're then going to have to skip after 5 seconds. Once the 5 seconds are up, you should be good to go. Don't click anywhere else on this screen. Just make sure you click skip ad after you waited the 5 seconds. It will then pop up with this. Then click on this one, or you can wait. It will then take you to Mediafire. You can then download it. Doing that will support the developer of this add-on. Right. Let's go back to game. So once you have successfully installed that, go to settings, go to global resources, go to my packs, and enable this. And then simply back out and let the magic begin. So this has turned the Bedrock version into Minecraft Java, but it's not just the home screen. It's absolutely everything. Now, this pack is still a work in progress, so it will continuously be updated. But down to the play screen, you've got your worlds, you've got multiplayer, which of course is going to be the servers. I currently don't have access to the servers because I'm currently in beta. You can see they're there. I don't think it's going to work. I think it's brilliant, and you can add more servers as well, the exact same way as Minecraft Java PC works. My only problem here, you have to click, what's this one? Okay, you can change the ports as well. Dude, he really did think of this in fantastic detail. What does this do? Not quite sure. Cancel. Play. And then he's also made it where the realms look like the way realms do. And these are my game invites from other people. It's brilliant. It's absolutely brilliant. So if you're doing this in 1.13, you'll have a long list of realms there. There's also a question mark here. Realms is a safe, simple way to enjoy an online Minecraft world with up to 10 friends at a time. It supports loads of minigames and plenty of custom worlds. Only the realm owner needs to pay. So that's the multiplayer aspect. If we go to profile, this is where you're going to edit your skins. Nothing's changed there. Marketplace, nothing's changed there. But we then go into options, and this is where things start to get exciting because they've made the layout look exactly like the Java version. Down to your profile, which explains your gamer tag and stuff like that. License, credits. This is like one of the bugs that I've noticed is the overlaying text. This needs to be slightly fixed. It's just a simple visual issue. I did not mean to click on that. We go to video, and this is what I'm talking about. This is brilliant. I don't know how much of these work because, of course, Bedrock doesn't have all of these available, but you can change your render chunks as well, your distances, fancy graphics, fast, smooth lighting, fancy, HUD on or off. GUI, this is going to change the scale size, right? Does it work? Oh, it does work too. Okay, I didn't realize that was going to work. So we have -1 and we have 0. So we don't have that many there. You've got your brightness, although I don't think this makes any difference because I don't think there's a brightness option on Minecraft Bedrock. Render clouds on. It explains a bunch of things. UI profile classic. What's this one? Okay, that's the crafting. So you can see there's a slight issue here. Camera perspective, third person, first person. It's just a very... Dude, it's so cool. It's so cool. Feel free to mess around with these. I'm not entirely sure how many will work. Like I said, you've got your audio options. There's only 2 options there. You've got your keyboard and controller options. They are done exactly like the Java version. Now, in case you guys want to get rid of your resource packs, make sure you go to resource packs. You click on this. If I take that over there, it's going to disable it. If I take that over there, it's going to disable it. I also want to remind you that I'm using the beta text hider as well. Right, so that's it for the main menu, I believe. Dude, it's great. It looks fantastic. He did a good job. So let's go to play, and let's create our brand new world, because I believe the load up has also changed. So we'll call this Bedrock to Java. We'll put this in creative. More options, difficulty normal, world type infinite, seed. We'll just use the seed ECKOSOLDIER right now. Allow cheats, advanced. Okay. Multiplayer. We've got permissions, simulation chunks, starting map. We'll do a starting map on, a bonus map on, coordinates on. We will do... Is there any always day and night in here? Because I'm not seeing that. We'll go to done. And we go to allow cheats on. Can we change these? Always day. There it is. Always day. Weather cycle off. Man, it's brilliantly done. Right, let's load up the game. So I'm not entirely sure if this is a change from Bedrock to Java, but the hotbar is all the way down here. Now, as soon as you go into your creative inventory, this layout is exactly like the PC version. And I'm kind of surprised that they haven't implemented this to the Bedrock version anyway, because the Bedrock creative inventory is absolutely garbage. Like, I don't like these stupid pluses. I mean, they're still there at this moment, but hey. Oh, there is a search option, right? We'll go for... let's just go for a sword real quick. We'll go with a diamond sword. We'll take this. All right, so what happens if we go to exit? Oh, okay, so you got these ones as well. List of players. It'll actually show you Bedrock to Java. It actually tells you the type of world as well. So if you have multiple people in here, the list would be here. Previously, the list was all the way down here. Sometimes it was quite difficult to see. What other options do we have? All right, there you go. There's the creator right there. Full credit goes to Chris, because he's done a 10 out of 10 job here. So I just want to kill myself real quick, and I know that sounds really weird, but I want to see what the death animation is like. So we do /. Oh, even the commands are a little bit better here as well. So we change our game mode to survival, and we die. It looks like the Java PC version. Also, for the survival version as well, the UI has changed. It's not just the creative one as well. So if we grab a couple of these and make ourselves a crafting table, I want to see how the crafting table is as well compared to the Bedrock version as well. So 2 of these, we can make these as well, and it works perfectly. Dude, that's so cool. Man, it's just so much better. It's so much slicker. It's so much smoother if we grab them and we get rid of that, because that's where it is. I think previously it's up here somewhere. It's so weird that you forget simple things, but we open this. It's the exact same as it was previously. We can make ourselves a sword, and you can tap and it works. It must have took him such a long time to get this done. So something else that's changed is to do with the sleeping animation, and there's one more as well. So apparently the sleeping animation is now like the Java PC version as well. Let's see how this works. It is like the Java PC version. It's so cool. And there's also changes to signs, although I'm not entirely sure what the changes to the signs have been. Can we like... I'm not entirely sure what has changed, but it does say the signs have changed. Wait. Remember to hit that like button on today's video with a smiley face. So what has changed here? I'm not quite sure what he means when he says he's changed the signs to be like Java as well. So I'm not sure if these have changed. I think they were basically very similar on Minecraft PC and Bedrock anyway. It's just in terms of putting these inside of there. If we grab ourselves some stone, I don't think too much has changed in this aspect though. But if we grab ourselves, let's say some of the stone and make ourselves some stairs, I don't think too much has changed there. Overall, guys, I think this pack offers a lot more, and I know it seems incredibly simplified just to make things like this, but I know Chris has spent many months creating this pack for the community. I also believe he's in the works of creating the Minecraft console edition again to the Bedrock version. So if you did enjoy the console edition interface and you play on Xbox or even Switch, then of course he's looking at doing that. But I think it just looks a lot more simplified. I think it's way better. I'm a big fan of the inventory. I think the inventory is such a pleasure to play with. It makes things so much easier. And I think having this here as well, it's so much better. It's an overall better experience in Minecraft. It's the same for this one as well. The fact that you can hide it that easy, it just makes things 1,000 times better. So that's 2 add-ons for today's video. We'll start, save and exit. I don't think it's going to change back anything at all. It is still going to be the Java PC version, and your worlds are there. So it looks like you're not going to lose anything at all. If you did enjoy today's video, drop a like. Both downloads are below. Have a great day, stay beautiful, and of course, catch you next time. Bye.